Hey, welcome back to AshaDorable. Basically, the premise of the show is, I always say paint my face before I go, but it is 2020, so I'm actually just being inspired right now with things that I like. So I am a football fan. Baltimore Ravens is my team. So that was the first episode. I'm an Indianapolis Colts, and I have a couple other teams coming, so I don't know how I'm doing the order right now, but those are the two that I know that are currently out as I'm talking to you all. Yeah, so let's just get into this face, if we will. I actually decided to clean it because I had like my everyday makeup on. I use a little bit of that. This is actually really good. This hydrating coconut mist. I'm also gonna go in with my instant pore eraser by Maybelline. It's called Baby Skin. I gotta keep going up because I don't want to get too wrinkly fast. Trying to stay a youngin'. That's the aim, right? Forever young. I wanna be forever young. You may have noticed I didn't say which team we're doing today, and that's because I decided to go with a team that this actually came from a viewer's request. They were like, we noticed that every single team that you have done so far before the actual game, they seem to lose, which kind of sucks. If you have a team you don't like and you want me to do that, be inspired by them for a look, I'll do it. I'm actually going to put on some of the butter just to kind of make the skin really silky smooth. This is by Beauty Bakery. It does go on even smoother now, actually, with the baby skin. I usually use my, of Cosmetics concealer, but I'm going to go in with Juvia's Place. It's a little on the lighter side, so I'm going to do that for the upper, yeah, you know I'm talking about, my eyes. The upper part of my face is how I usually do it sometimes for some areas. Yes, I'm going to now take my, it's like technically my foundation brush, but I just go in with it just to help put things together. So I'm actually just rubbing, well, a little bit of circular motion going on, just so it can actually kind of meld in. I have dry skin. I'm not sure if you do, or if you're just a dude watching and you're like, sure, dry skin, I get it, hydrate. Yeah, skin needs to drink too. Shout out to the guys that actually watch the show as well. I do appreciate that. It feels good that we can actually come together. So I actually have my translucent setting powder. All right, cool. So we're gonna now just pretty much put it in just to make sure that it stays where we put it. It's really what it is when we say setting. This is technically like a blush brush or some other angular cool brush. So New England, what would I do for New England? So I'm gonna start from right about there. Yes, I'm just going for some part in my face. So we're gonna go right about out there, bring it in, bring it out, bring it in. That's the framework set. We're gonna go out as far as possible, only because this is not to be imitated with another, or be misunderstood as another look that I've done. And then I'm gonna run the white concealer only to the middle of the eye, this one. Now, the part that I do like when I start going in with the color. So now that I'm here, I'm realizing I probably should do blue eyebrows, and I don't know why I never thought of that before. So I'm gonna line them out and fill them in with blue. I'm going to do my best not to fill in, but literally just make an outline of where I want my brows to be. I had totally different plans for my eyebrows, by the way, y'all. I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to do this kind of darkish brown and no one's going to know, and it's going to be really nice and espresso colored and yay, and then, you know, inspiration hits, hence the show. All right, cool. So I have this, it's called Smudger. I remember the name. I'm going to use the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place because the plan is I like this chai, that really nice deep blow, right? Because it's like more of a patriotic deep blow. Let's go in here, actually. So with the chai, technically it's just chai, and I'm being fancy. And I'm trying to just do it as light as I can with this measure because it is a thin line between looking cool and being a hot mess. So I'm trying to do less of a face paint look. I don't want it to be a face paint look. I want it to be, you're a Pats fan, you also enjoy football, or you happen to be going to the game and you're supporting, and that's a team you're supporting. That's another thing too. I mean, not to get into a ramble, but I really don't like the fact that people forget that girls can just have a team they like. Like, it's okay. I get it, it's not always popular or taught that girls should like football, but some of us actually just like it. I think it really kicks butt. So shout out to all my sporty but glam girls, or sporty girls, or glam girls that get it. So that's with the chai right there. I'm gonna now take the same chai and start doing really cool things with my eyes. So I'm taking my smudger just because I like that I can make lines, more even lines with it. And then I'm just placing it like so. Funny enough, so I'm not sure if you guys know, I'm actually based in Charlotte, North Carolina. You know, so we had Cam as our quarterback for a long time. So that's another good reason why I probably should actually put just a little more effort out of the love that North Carolina has for Cam. I'm gonna put a little bit of blue underneath the eye, even though I know you're supposed to conceal first and then go in with it. Notice I'm not putting anything else in between. I'm like literally letting them blend into each other. I'm gonna go in now with mascara. Hopefully I don't take out too much of the work I already put in. So let's just go in with these lashes here. For my top lashes, I'm truly just brushing it out. For concealer, I mean, I kept talking about it, right? I'm gonna go in now with my e.l.f. Camel concealer. I'm gonna take my small concealer brush. I usually use something else. I just want to be more precise with it today. That's how I conceal. And then now that I have it where I want it, I'm gonna now use my blender for it. All right, cool. So let's go back in with that brush for the silver, like I said. This look is not taking a whole hour at all. I think this is like 25 minutes in and I got it like this. This is like all my other fancy stuff that you don't even have to do. So I'm gonna do my lips, I guess. I think I can go for it now. So I'm gonna just use a simple Wet n Wild, just drugstore makeup here. And just slap that right on. So let me just pop these lashes in one real quick. This is the magnetic eyelashes, Toribel. That's it. I like that it has a little magnetic case to keep it alive. I just wanted to show how easy it is that you can do magnetic lashes and have it insta stick and be about your way. All right, so we're gonna take my little contouring brush to do a couple of interesting, cool things. So I'm gonna use my Contour Artist. You can use pretty much any contour palette. I'm just gonna take my dark with my medium and put it in there. I'm gonna not do foundation today. Not because they're not good, it's just I don't need the foundation today. I wanna do some really cool highlights, so I'm actually gonna take this brush. I was gonna take something else, but I was gonna take this brush. I'm gonna go into the Masquerade palette. I like that Giza, and see if I can get Giza to kind of pop on the cheeks as a little bit of a nice highlight. This is my Patriots look. I'm gonna do something a little inspired. Some little dimples popping, y'all. I guess I'm feeling pretty good. And let's see. So this is with the Monchali over the Wet n Wild. That's deep and nice. Extra juicy. Thank you for watching another amazing episode of AshaDorable and taking the journey with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching AshaDorable.